Ask Tom on Home Show.
Thelma from Lantana, Texas, has a question about mold on her register.
Yeah, she's seeing it forming on the ceiling of the registers, but just in some upstairs rooms, Tom. Thelma writes, I had properly sealed ducts repaired, but I'm confused why you say flex ducts should not be cleaned. I had a duct cleaning company come out. They recommended cleaning from the plenum to the registers and install a UV light, since replacing ducts that split in many directions is very expensive. Why is this not a good repair?
Well, it's not a repair. You're asking if it should be cleaned. If you ask any good air conditioning technician, the mechanics of the car, right? The guy that's going to make the thing run, or the gal for that matter, they're going to say duct cleaning is nothing anybody should ever do. And it's because it doesn't help you any. First off, your problem is you have mold on the ceiling, so you need to clean it. It's not mold, it's mildew, and it's very common. And probably all that needs to be done is the register pulled off the ceiling, the little gap between the duct box on the back of it and the area to the enclosed attic area just needs to be caulked or taped off, and then the register put back. You clean up the mildew and you're not going to have it again. It's not all in the duct work. It's not flowing through. And anybody that's in the duct cleaning business, they'll tell you they'll clean any duct in the world. That's what they're in the business to do. So people don't go to people's homes and say, you don't need me. Thanks for calling. They're going to try to sell you a job. It's not going to help your problem, and it's not going to be good for the duct, especially flex duct, because they're soft on the inside, and you don't want that machine running around up inside of there. And in most cases, if you have a piece that's broken or old or has a problem, it's cheaper just to replace that run of the flex duct if you have access to it, and it's all done. But the problem is mildew on the ceiling. It probably needs to be detailed. You can get your air conditioning technician to do it. Why you say that people don't do it? Because it doesn't do any good, and every good technician, just like a good mechanic, will say don't change your oil every day. Change it when it needs to be changed under the right circumstances. You want to deal with the mechanics on the mechanic of your system, because this is a mechanical system. And that's why you get checkups every year. You talk to your air conditioning technician when he comes out. Hey, I got this problem here. They'll probably go up, take the register off, clean it up. They'll probably seal it for you. Sure, they might charge you a little bit, but that's what the whole idea is. Somebody's going to charge you a lot more and not do any good with UV lights and everything else. So that's all I really got to say about it.
I was waiting for you to get to the UV light part, because I know that you're not a fan of those either.
Well, they have a place in barbershops and hospitals for disinfecting surfaces. And probably other places too, in pharmaceutical companies that do work and stuff. But it doesn't kill the air. It doesn't clean the air. The air goes through it so fast. It's just like if you run from your house to your car in the sun, you don't get a tan because you're not out long enough. You have to sit under the sun and get burned. It takes some time. It's the same concept. So it doesn't work as an air purifier, and I get really irritated. Companies that sell those things as air purifiers, they're not. And then when COVID came out, I got really irritated because they alluded to being a vaccine for the home kind of thing, and that really is bad advertising. Companies should not be doing that, and a lot that started doing it, they pulled off of that because they realized how bad it was. But it's not something that should be used for that. And even in a hospital, to put this thought to bed, they use HEPA filters. And I can tell you about it. I just went through a whole research night on the line looking at all these new air filters they're trying to sell now because COVID is coming to an end, and we've got a bunch of these air filters that need to get dumped onto the market. And the only one that I would consider buying was one by Carrier. They had a good one, and guess what it did not have in it? It was not an ionizer, and it was not a UV light. It was a HEPA filter, and that would be the only one that I would even consider. And I know Charlie would like it because you can turn it on and off with your iPhone.
I want one. All right.
Yeah, I know. He wants one.
Click on the Ask Tom button. Send us your question. You can do that on your iPhone, too. Hey, you've got one now, too, by the way. So
I do.
I'm not the
right here.
iPhone guy here.
It's right here.
Send us a picture, too, by the way. It helps us do a better job. We're happy to help
through
you
your
do
iPhone.
That. You can send them with your iPhone. You sure can.
Yes.
All right. Look for a new one of these every day because we post them every day on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, of course, at HomeShowRadio.com.